So the first thing I do when I apply my makeup is I always put on a base, and the primer that I'm using right now is the Makeup Forever. I have so many little bumps because I was just on vacation and got bit by a bunch of mosquitoes, so that's super fun. The next thing I'm going to do is use my Tarte Kabuki brush. This is the best brush for foundation, in my opinion. Better than the Beauty Blender, just because it gets the job done. I'm a little darker, so I'm going to use the Milani 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer in number 9 and the Huda Beauty foundation in Tres Leches. And going to apply that. And for me, foundation, I like a full coverage foundation. You know? Cover that face, baby. If I wanted to go natural, I just wear no makeup. You know? Which is how I am 90% of the time. I am pretty confident in myself without makeup, so I wear no makeup every day. It's like the very rare occasion that I go out and do something with my life and I put foundation and the whole 9 yards, you know? See what I'm saying? Like, this foundation brush covers everything. It just gets my whole, you know, big old dome. A little ghost because I'm just one color. But then now I'm going in with this KKW Beauty Concealer in the number 9. So I kind of use, oh, I didn't even show you guys a brush. I'm using the Real Techniques brush. This, I would not trade it for the world. It is the best under eye concealer brush. It's actually for contour, I think. Yeah, it's a contour brush. I use it for concealer and it blends it so seamlessly into my skin. I don't want to just end there because, you know, we're not going for natural. I'm gonna then go in with my Tarte Shape Tape because, you know, coverage in medium. So this one's obviously going to be lighter. You know, don't judge my life choices. So just blending that in. Like, who am I? It just makes me a different person. The key to all this is blending. Obviously, you don't want to just leave it like that. And then I go back with the Kabuki brush and just blend out the edges here. Once that is done, I'm going in with my Bake. I use the KKW number 2. I'm going to apply this right under. And I just kind of blend it all out. I have given up baking just because my skin is very dry, and no matter what powder I bake with, it tends to like accumulate right here and it just looks like a dry patch. It's just not cute, and that's every time I bake. No matter what baking powder I use, it just accumulates right there and it just does not look flattering. So I don't bake. I just put the powder right under my eye, and a lot of the powders that most people like don't work for my skin. Like the Laura Mercier dries up my under eyes so bad. It's like the Sahara Desert right under my eyes. I'm going to go in with contour right now. And I've been using this contour color since it came out. So it is my go-to, my tried and true, the Shade and Light by Kat Von D. I've had it forever and it still has a little bit in here. Brush, I use the Sephora Pro Flawless Light Powder number 50 brush. And I just use this to just kind of warm up my face a little bit. And in the lightest shade. And then, of course, under the chin, I feel like, I don't know if it's just me, but I have to do this just because I have a double chin. And if I don't do it, I notice it a lot more. you know, like snatched. I just lost 10 pounds. And for like extra contour, I just squeeze the brush a little bit and get the middle color and a dab of the darker color, and only put that on like the outer third, just over here, just to create a little bit more of a hollowness. And there you go. And of course, what is life without nose contour? I actually used to be so self-conscious about my nose and wanted to get nose surgery because in high school there was this one mean girl that I don't even remember her name, but she made fun of my nose, and for some reason I never had a problem with my nose until she made fun of it. And then I like really wanted surgery, and my mom was not gonna allow me to have that, so I've just dealt with it. And you know what, I actually like my nose. I'm like, I went back to liking my nose. I was like, what are you talking about? My nose is cute. Girls be crazy when they're trying to knock you down. Now I'm just gonna do my eyes before my eyebrows. And I mean, I don't really use eyeshadow primer. I just get whatever's left over on my Real Techniques brush for my concealer and then apply that onto my lids. I just grab that shade and light and get the lightest shade and just create this hollowness, this depth in the eye. And then now go with the middle one, middle color, and then just add a little bit more of dimension. I'm gonna need a new palette because this one is, it's been reached the pan. Okay. And then, so my eyes have a little bit of definition, but you gotta, you know, add more. I'm gonna add a little bit, like a dab of the darkest, and kind of focus that on the outer corner. And whatever's left over, bring it in. So I want it to kind of extend my eyes because I feel like my eyes look kind of beady. I'm just going to use the darkest now and just apply that on my lower lash line. Let me switch over to my eyebrows. And I'm using the Sephora brush it's the Pro Brush 20, number 20. And of course, Anastasia Beverly Hills, the queen of brows, in the Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. And my brows aren't that complicated, thanks to the girl who does my brows. Even though I have to get them done, they've already grown out. But what I do is I just follow the shape she's created with them, with this, and I just kind of don't put that much product in because I don't think I need it. Fresh it up, and then just kind of do the exact same thing to my other side. So yeah, this blush looks a little crazy, but blush is the first thing to fade out. So you want to apply a little bit more than usual and then have it fade throughout the day. And now on to highlight, of course. My tried and true Mirame Dose of Colors. Anyways, I don't find my brush that I normally use, so I'm just going to use this one because I also use it. The Pro Precision Powder in 59 Sephora brush. And then I just brush a little bit on and brush a little bit like this. Not too much on the forehead because I have bumps from my trip. Thank you, mosquitoes. And then on this side, like, I'm highlighted. I am using this new eyeliner by The Balm. So this is the eyeliner, liquid liner. This liquid liner is pigmented. The one I was using before this was the M Cosmetics. That one's also another good one. Okay, so my eyeliner does not look alike, but you know, that's how I do it. On to the next thing, I'm going to put on my Buxom mascara. This is a really good mascara. The best mascara I've ever tried. And I don't really give two about mascara. But this mascara, when I get my lashes like curled, this mascara makes me look like I have fake lashes. So after mascara, naturally, lashes, the ones I'm going to be using is the 3D Mink by Lily Lashes in the style Miami. And I already have them out because this is the look I did yesterday, so. And then the glue I'm using is the House of Lashes glue in, I don't know, black. I like that it's black because it camouflages on the band. However, the only bad thing is that if you place it incorrectly, that black line will show. It's like you're putting eyeliner. You're not supposed to blow on it, but you know, YOLO. Let it get tacky and put it on. Wow, who am I? Okay, so meanwhile that's drying up, I'm gonna go in with lips, and the lip liner that I used yesterday ran out. Like literally, I've never gotten to the end of a lip liner, but it was like a brown from NYX. But I'm gonna try this one, Be Chic. This is actually eyeliner in black brown. That is crazy. It comes out like this brown color. And believe me, this looks really dark and crazy, but this is what I did yesterday. And to make my lips look bigger, I overline, obviously. Looks crazy dark, but I use a really dark color because the next color that I'm going in for lips is this new one I just got that has been around, but it is Pure Hollywood by Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. And mix with that darker color. Tad brighter. I just put a little bit more and then go in with my finger. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This lip probably doesn't match with this outfit, but is cute. I did it yesterday and I really like it. And that's it.